Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, LJ Senieres. Ayan, for today's video, papunta kami ngayon ng Himlayan, Pilipino sa may Tandang Sora. Ayan, dadalawin namin ang aming lola at ang lolo at ang mga tiyuhin namin, ang minamahal namin sa buhay. Ayan, kasi Valentine's Day at the same time, death anniversary kasi ni lola. Kaya samahan nyo kami guys. Hello guys! Ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa Himlayan, Pilipino. Dadalawin namin si Lola Nene kasi death anniversary niya at the same time, syempre Valentine's Day. Ayan, kasama ko sila Aping. Ayan, at nandito na rin sila Ital, yung sister ko. Ayan na. Tsaka si JR. So, ayun guys, breakfast po muna tayo. Ayan, ang aga kasi natin pumunta dito guys para walang traffic. Usually kasi pag dumadalaw talaga kami kay Lola, nagbabaon kami ng food o kaya bibili kami ng food, dadali namin. Ayan, so may dala rin kaming tent. Ang nangyari nga lang, naiwan namin ni Aping yung stand. O diba, ang cool. Siyempre, dahil naiwan natin yung stand para mapakinabangan, ayan, ginawa na lang naming panlatag sa sahig yung tent. So, ayan, nandyan kami. Pray kami kay Lola. Tapos, i-recall namin yung mga magaganda na memories namin kay Lola. Ayan, lahat kung ano-ano. Re-reminisce kami. At ayun, dumating na si Epi, ang kapatid ko. Ayan, humabol siya. So, syempre, park muna siya. Hanap siya pa parkingan niya. Ikot yan. Na si Epi, yung daga. At ayun naman guys, dalawin naman natin si Lolo Boy. Ayan, sa kabila kasi siya sa columbarium siya. Kaya doon po natin siya pupuntahan. Ayan guys, si Aping. Laki na dyan, no guys?
Wow!
At ayun guys, patuloy kami sa paglalakad ni Aping. Ayan, dalawa lang kami ni Aping naglalakad. Kasi si Epi, backride niya si Mama. Ayan, nag-CR muna sila. Kasi grabe talaga. Ewan ko bakit ang sementeryo napakalayo ng CR. Tapos limited lang din yung mga CR. Standard ba yun? So, ayun na nga guys, nakita natin si Lolo ko nasaan. Ay, ito na siya. Lolo! Hi, Lolo! Ba't walang picture si Lolo?
Maganda picture.
At ayun na nga, nilagay namin ng mga flowers sa paligid yung lapida ni Lolo. Ang cute-cute na. Baby girl na si Lolo. At syempre, hindi natatapos dyan ang ating video. Gaya ng dati, meron tayong selfie at groupie!
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome.
Thanks for watching guys. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel LJ Senior Rest.